So in previous class we have discussed about the respiration. What is the difference between respiration and breathing? Second topic, types of respiration. So now we are going to discuss about the third topic of the respiration, that is the respiratory system. Because respiration is a process and for each process there is a system found. So for the functioning of the respiration there is a system found, that is known as the respiratory system. So first of all we will discuss about the organs. What are the organs found in respiratory system? So the first organ is nasal cavity. Nasal cavity continue with the windpipe, or before windpipe there is the one more structure, that is the larynx. You also know the voice box. Larynx is continue with the windpipe, and the windpipe is also known as trachea. Then bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, or you can say alveolar sac. So bronchioles and alveolar sac, these both structure form inside the lungs. Inside the lungs. We all are aware that in respiratory system the main organ is lung and one pair of lungs are found in human. So I am going to label this diagram where these structure found. It is the nasal cavity, and at the blows out of nasal cavity what found? Your food pipe found. So here nasal cavity, that is continue with the here voice box found, that is known as the larynx, and at the above side of larynx pharynx found. Pharynx is a structure where the windpipe and food pipe both passes. तो larynx के ऊपर ही आपका pharynx होता है, और pharynx एक ऐसा structure है जहाँ पे आपका windpipe और food pipe दोनों की common passes होती है. Larynx continue with the windpipe, or you can say trachea. So this whole structure is trachea, and you can see I have made a ring like structure with the green color. So these rings like structure are the rings of cartilage. Rings of cartilage. Now trachea is divided into two parts that arise or that reaches up to the both lung, and these two tube like structure are known as bronchi. So it is bronchi. Bronchi continue with the thin tubelets that are found inside the lung. So these thin tubelets are known as bronchioles. These tubes are known as bronchioles. And here you can see that at the end of bronchiole, sac-like structure formed, that is known as alveoli or alveolar sac. Alveoli or alveolar sac. So here at one side of the lung I have shown you the internal structure of the lung, and at the opposite side that the second lung that carry the external structure of the lung, because we all are aware that lung is covered by ribs, bony like structure, that is the ribs. So here I am going to make ribs. Now here you can see that one more structure that is made up of soft tissue that is present inside the chest cavity is known as diaphragm. Diaphragm. So these all organs combine together and form the respiratory system. Again I am going to repeat it. First of all, nose. Nose is continue with the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity open into the larynx, and larynx continue with the food pipe, that is the trachea. Food pipe contain a rings of cartilage that is made up of cartilage connective tissues. Then trachea is divided into two parts, or from trachea two tubes arises that reaches up to the right and left lungs. So these tube-like structure are known as bronchi, and bronchi continue with the bronchioles. These a thin tube that rises from the bronchi and reaches inside the lungs are known as bronchioles. And at the end of each bronchiole, a sac-like structure found that is known as the alveoli. And when we talk about the external structure of the lungs, then lungs is covered by a bony structure that is known as ribs. And at the between of both lungs in chest cavity there is a structure found that is made up of soft tissue known as diaphragm. So here we have discussed all the organs of the respiratory system. Now we will see that what is the function of each and every organ.